Hello, I'm an 2015 Jeep Compass, and today I'm going to show you how to add power steering fluid. So first you open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you should see this. This is your power steering fluid reservoir. And on the side here, if you can see, there's a max line there and then a minimum line a little bit below that. You do want some air gap so you don't fill it all the way to the top. And I'd also double check your owner's manual, make sure you've got the best liquid to add to your particular make and model. But that said, when you're ready to add, just unscrew this cap, and either with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug, add as needed till you're around that full mark. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then once it's full, you hardly ever should have to add to this, but if you are having to, I would double check for sure around the reservoir and all the lines leading to it for any leaks or cracks that might need addressed. And if there are leaks, you definitely want to get that fixed. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.